Guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to get the most frequent and common words from a txt file using two different methods from Python. So if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and also like and share the video. Don't forget to hit the bell button to always get videos which I drop here: data analysis, data science, Power BI, and everything data science. So let's go. First of all, to create this, you have to first of all have your txt file. So if you don't have your txt file, so you just have to create one. So this is how to create one. You have to come here and go to new. This is your home in Jupyter Notebook, your ID environment. You have to go to new. The first thing you see is the Python IP kernel. Then you will see text file, you see folder and terminal. So you're going to choose text file. Once you choose your text file, it's going to take you to a new window like this. So once you have your window like this, you can now copy and paste your text file you want to experiment with or practice with, or import it. So after everything, make sure to save it. Make sure you have to come here and do what? Save it. So now it's already saved. Now let's go to the main div. So the first method is we are going to use count and for loop for the first method, for this very first method. So after everything, you have to first of all read your file. So to read my file, what's my file name? My file name is sample file.txt. So I'm going to copy and paste my sample name here so that we can read and actually open it. So this is my file name. Then you now take down your for loop. Don't worry about writing the code. I'm going to drop a link of where this code is going to be on the GitHub, on my GitHub channel. So just go to my GitHub and you can copy the code and use it for your production and all that. So I want to read my file. After reading my file, I want to print the most repeated word. I want to print the most repeated. So I'm going to run this now to see what it's going to give us. So the most repeated word, or the most common word, as the case may be, let's use most common word or most frequent word. Most frequent word. The most frequent word is A. So let's go and check it. A. So we have A here. We have A. Where is we have A? Okay, we have A here. We have A here. So I could only see 3 A's with just mere observation, but if you want to be very precise about this, that's why you have to use the second method I'm going to show you now. To be more precise about this, we have a module in Python that is named the counter. The counter is used to read a text file and also know the most common word and the exact number it occurred. So here I want to look for just the same thing we did here. Make sure you read and open your file. This is my file name here. So make sure you encode and read your file. Then we have to turn the file into a list of words, then initialize the counter, then look through the 10 most common. So let's check the 10 most common words and their numbers. So I'm going to run this, Ctrl Shift Enter. So here you see that A occurred 4 times, 4 occurred 4 times, computer occurred 4 times, great occurred 3 times, is occurred twice. So now we can now get the exact and precise number which they occurred. So you can see the difference between here. This particular code will just give you a word that occurred most. So but you can see here, you can see that A, 4 and computer occurred 4 times, so they occurred 4 different times, but it just showed us for A here. So that's why you're gonna use your count loop, but it all depends on what you're actually producing or what you actually want to achieve. So this is it. Now let's wait for the common 5, the top 5, and run it. Now this is our top 5 numbers and the words. So to show these results, the top and in a bracket format, you have to use this coding. It's still the same thing. We are all also using our counter. We are using our counter here. So remember to, very important, open and read your text file. The name of my text file is samplefile.txt. So very important to open and read it. So I'm going to look for the top four, find top four. Print top four here. Okay, top five rather. Top five and print. So this is it. These are top five words in brackets and the number of occurrence. So I hope this actually helps you in achieving what you want to achieve. Also, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get notification whenever I drop video on Power BI, data science, data analytics, and all other data science tools. So see you in the next video, and bye.